Imagine a laboratory unlike any on Earth. Smooth metallic walls gleam under the soft glow of bioluminescent panels. The air hums with a low, constant energy, a symphony of scientific pursuit. This is no earthly facility. This is a laboratory of an alien civilization far beyond our own. Within these walls, extraterrestrial scientists delve into the mysteries of the universe. They explore the very fabric of reality, pushing the boundaries of knowledge with every experiment. Their tools and methods are as foreign to us as their world, yet the pursuit of understanding is a universal language. This laboratory, a testament to the power of curiosity and the pursuit of knowledge, offers us a glimpse into the incredible potential of life beyond our planet. The secrets they unlock here may hold the key to understanding not only their world, but our place in the vast cosmos as well. The laboratory's most captivating feature is undoubtedly the array of bioluminescent organisms on display. These organisms, collected from across the cosmos, pulse and glow within their transparent containers. Each organism, a testament to the diversity of life in the universe, holds clues to the evolution of life on other worlds. These organisms are not merely specimens, they are living libraries of biological data. The alien scientists study their bioluminescent properties, hoping to unlock the secrets of their unique biochemistry. They believe this research could lead to breakthroughs in energy, medicine, and our understanding of life itself. The alien scientists themselves are a marvel of biological engineering. Their tall, slender forms are covered in a smooth silver-blue skin that shimmers faintly under the lab's lighting. Their large, black eyes, devoid of pupils, constantly observe their surroundings, absorbing every detail. These scientists move with a quiet grace, their long, thin fingers manipulating delicate instruments with precision. Their movements are fluid and efficient, reflecting years of training and a deep understanding of their craft. Their focus is absolute, their minds completely absorbed in the task at hand. The laboratory is alive with activity. The soft hum of advanced machinery provides a constant, reassuring background noise. Sparks fly from intricate contraptions, casting dancing shadows across the walls. The air crackles with the energy of discovery, the thrill of pushing the boundaries of understanding. This is a place where the impossible is dissected, analyzed, and understood. It is a place where the mysteries of the universe are unraveled, one experiment at a time. The pursuit of knowledge knows no bounds, no limitations, and in this alien laboratory, we catch a glimpse of the extraordinary heights that scientific exploration can reach.